So good afternoon everyone. So I'm gonna present you my family tree. So let's begin to my mother's side. So my mother's name is Melinda Escarpe Inodio, and her parents is Junicia and Rocky Escarpe, which is her mother, and Vidal Gripo Escarpe, which is her father. So the parents of my grandmother was Filomeno Andraque, which was her father, and Hinara Melihor, which was her mother. So the parents of my grandfather was Julio Escarpe, which was his father, and Catalina Gripo, which was his mother. So let's go to my father's side. So my father's name is Ilmer Tabanao Inodio, and his parents is Francisco Ripolidon Inodio, which was his father, and Corazon Acaso Tabanao, which is his mother, and my great grandfather is, which was Apolinar Inodio. So my mother and father meets at their work because they are co-workers, and through their work they develop their love, and they became a couple. So their beliefs is kung mananom daw kag saging kay dapat kanang magsigar daw kag dungo, dili ka magyangod-yangod, kay kung magsige kag yangod kay ang kuan daw kay mo taas daw imong saging, pero mamunga siya pero taas kanang malisod og kabot niya. Kung magsigar kag dungo kay kanang mubo arang saging niya makabot ra ni bunga. So that's all. Thank you.